How to recover deleted TikTok videos. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on the menu at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Report a Problem. Then scroll down and tap on this button to submit a report. After that, you need to type in the issue that you're facing. Once you're done typing the report, you can attach a photo of the deleted content or a video along with it. Then hit the Submit button at the bottom. TikTok will get to you shortly with an answer. So, by following these steps, you can recover deleted TikTok videos. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.